Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to play races in GTA 5 online. Alright, let's begin. Races in GTA 5 online are a great way to earn cash and RP, even if you do not win. To start a race, press the pause button to open the pause menu. From there, go to the online tab, select jobs, then choose play job. Next, select races. Here you can choose between Rockstar created, Rockstar verified, or community races. Pick the option you prefer and select a race from the list. You will see different race types available, including stunt races, land races, air races, sea races, and bike races. Once you enter a race lobby, you can adjust settings such as the number of laps, vehicle class, traffic, weather, and time of day. After customizing the settings, invite your friends or use auto-invite to fill the lobby with other players. When everyone is ready, start the race and compete to the finish line. Even if you place last, you will still earn cash and RP, making races a fun and rewarding activity in GTA 5 Online. So that's basically how you can play races in GTA 5 Online. That's it for this video. Thanks.